I don't mind a profit. Profit is a good incentive. It makes the system work. But here's my difference. The big banks think they have to turn a profit every quarter, right now. Our profits are longer term. We invest. We don't have fees. We don't have special kinds of paper. We invest. We'll tell a small businessman who has a small manufacturing plant, this loan is for 5 years, not for 5 months, 5 years. And we'll set certain standards for that and work toward his profitability over time. When we didn't foreclose on any mortgage holders, we collected all of our money, but what we did is go back, instead of charging 5% for a mortgage, we lowered it to 3%. Instead of foreclosing on a house, we extended the note. We restructured the loan. That's what a good banker does. Banking used to be a noble profession, and I think it still is among community bankers. But the big boys are entertainers. They get paid $50 million a year, and they're into greed. They brought on the collapse in 2007. Bill Clinton was president. He did away with the Glass-Steagall Act, which allowed the big boys to get bigger. That was 1999, and the collapse followed soon after. It wasn't George Bush, it wasn't Barack Obama, it was Bill Clinton. Both parties have fallen in love with the money. They're addicted to the money. They take the money from the big banks and they give them anything they want. I'm opposed to it. It's bad banking, it's bad business, and it's bad for the country. I'm not against large. What I'm against is dumb. What I'm against is greed. What I'm against is the banker first and the customer second. It ought to be reversed.